Welcome to a quick overview video of Google Vids, an easy-to-use video creator that makes sharing your message easy. This is a full-feature video creation tool that you can access from your Google Drive. It lets you capture your screen, record video or audio from your camera and microphone, develop videos from slides, and take advantage of the massive collection of stock video, images, and audio resources to make the perfect video to share your message.
All right, crew, this is going to be a super quick overview, just a general intro to how you can quickly get started and make a video in Google Vids. So start by going to your Drive, click New, click Google Vids. You will see it gives you some options off the top. You could just click Record Yourself and it'll automatically launch you into that recording space. You can upload a video that you already have. They have templates you can use. There's also this convert slides feature, which I think could be really useful for a lot of us. Anything that you already have as slides, you can click this and it will turn each slide into a scene. We're going to start with a blank vid just to show you how easy this is to get up and running. So I'm going to click blank vid, and instead of a slide, this is a scene. The major difference between a scene and a slide is a scene, you can control the duration. So you can see I'm up to 12 seconds here, basically down to 5 seconds. So however long you want your first slide to be, you can control that by adjusting these sliders. I can add new slides / scenes by clicking this plus button here. And you can see now I have a 4-scene video. I'm going to show you the stock features really quickly in here to show you how you can quickly get up and running. Know that on any of this, most of your insert is here, right? You can do it from here, but most of the stuff you need to use is going to be along this right panel. So if I want to do a recording of myself, I can click record and hit camera and quickly be up and running to drop a video of myself onto a scene, and it will drop onto whatever scene you have selected. Same with a screen recording, which is actually what I'm doing right now to help create this video. Same with capturing your camera and screen, right? Or audio. So this is a great screencasting tool or audio capture tool to add your own voice or audio features into images that you might have or slides that you might have. So let's get some media on this. And the best place to go for media inside of this tool is the stock section. It has videos, images, music, all the above. So we're just going to do one simple search and we're going to find some stock footage for 3 things and quickly get up and running with creating a video. So I'm just going to search up computer and we'll see what kind of stock footage this will give us. You can see I got all sorts of pictures. I really just want to drag several stock footage videos of computers down. So I'm going to click there and you can see this is an 8-second clip. I can drag that onto the scene. It will auto adjust the scene to 8 seconds. This here, do we like this? We hover for preview. Looks fine. Just a bunch of B-reel footage that you could bring into it. This next slide, I want to be a little more specific with things. So I'm going to go in, we'll search computer again, and I may need to add some content into this section that I want. So let's find a good stock image that we can use. This is really cheesy, but we'll drop this guy in and we'll center that. And we'll just get an idea of how we can actually edit just like a slide on this. So let's put some text on this and we'll make it, I basically hit the text button, hit add title here just so you see, but we'll make it a centered right on this computer screen that says tech. And we'll just click in, just like editing a text box in slides, same font features and everything that you can do. But you can see I can change all these settings to be what I want, and there I just added a video. I could decorate this as fancy as I like, and it's good to go. Now you might be thinking, well, Dan, right now this really just looks like a bunch of gibberish. We don't have any meaningful content or anything in this. Here's where it gets really cool. So on each scene that you have, they have a section called scripts where you can actually, if you want to write it out, you can. You don't have to write it out, or you can write it out and actually generate an AI voiceover to do the talking for you. So this first scene, I'll just make this absurd and start describing what's on the picture. Fingers are typing on a keyboard. So my two options here, I could record myself saying what's on my scene, or I could actually generate the voiceover. I'm going to click generate voiceover and choose a narrator. I like the explainer sound here, and insert that into my timeline. And this shows you the second feature of this tool, which is I get a scene editor, which is all my visual stuff, and then I also get sounds or audio that just is a drag and drop section underneath here. So if I want this to start a little later in that video clip, I can just drag that audio to that location. Super easy to use interface, really, really powerful tool. We need some music with this as well. So when we click in here, you can see to that stock section, and I'm searching. I also get a section called music that I can choose, and it does give you a preview of how long those songs are. You can click on them, listen to them, find the one that fits your vibe. I'm going to go with a more ambient background style noise. But and just like this, I'm able to drag this tool down, add a song to this. You can see right now the song is starting a little later in the video. It's starting at about 5 seconds. If I want it to be at the very start of the video, I just need to drag it so that it lines up with the start. And then when we play this, we have our video playing, whatever's on our screen here for the video, as well as our music playing with this little voice overview that we just did. Putting some of these things together, really you can create incredibly powerful videos that communicate your message, share your ideas, and also make it really easy to teach or share information or showcase skills. So it's that easy to create some scenes, add some content to that. The biggest trick is thinking through, like, what is the core message that I want to get across in this video, and what's the right media to help support some of that. And if you don't love the media that's there, you can always record yourself, go find images to upload, record something out in the world that you want to add, upload those files, and you can bring that. Biggest limitation right now of Google Vids is that it does have a 10-minute limit on video creation. But let's face it, nobody likes watching videos that go on forever and ever, so including this one. This is your intro to the basics of Google Vids. I'm going to do a deeper dive where we start to get into some advanced editing techniques and some cool ways that you can really make this a super, super powerful editing tool. So stay tuned for the next video.